Hi everyone, today I'm sharing this delicious village okra soup, grandma's recipe. I'm using beef. I added a little bit of water to this beef. Add beef bouillon, onion, salt. Put it together, cover and let it cook for the first 20 minutes of the cooking. And this is my beef. Add shaki to it. More water, stockfish. Cover and let it cook. And this is the okra I'm going to be using, spinach, and I'm adding smoked fish as well. This fish, I'm not using everything, I'm just cutting out of it. And I'm putting this fish in smaller pieces. Now I'm gonna cut my okra, slice them. This okra, I'm going to be beating it in uru. Pour the okra in a pan, add crayfish, 1 habanero pepper, little bit of oil, add water. I'm going to boil this okra for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Don't cook your okra too long. And as that is busy, I'm rough blending peppers, crayfish, and onion. To the meat, I just poured in my momo. Add more water, just enough water for your soup. Add native Maggi. My okra is ready. I already off the fire. Pour the okra in uru. This is Edo State style. I'm a typical Ishan woman, so this is how my grandma do it. To my meat, I just poured in the smoked fish. I changed the pot because that pot is too small. Pour in my pepper blend, that's the pepper mix, with the onions, crayfish, add palm oil, add little bit of salt. Don't forget you already use salt to cook your meat, little bit of salt. Cover and let it cook 20 minutes. See, my soup is almost ready. Everything is inside the soup already. Just pour in the okra, put it together, then add in the spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Yeah, you can also eat it like that without vegetable. See, my soup is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're going to try this recipe. See you in my next one. Don't forget to share. Bye.